First day of Arctic Circle.
Don't tell nobody that.
Pull the one out of the north ditch with light plant. If we can find a light plant to bring up here, an electric pump.
A little bit of a snowstorm. I guess you can consider this a whiteout condition. We're up here. It's pretty fucking cold, I'll tell you that. It was nice this morning. It was like. But yeah, it was nice this morning at around 4. It was like warm and you weren't t-shirt weather, and then all of a sudden it just dropped off to where your nipples went through the glass. It's changing pretty quick. Look at that shit. There's a camp over there. God damn. God diddly damn. We got a windshield weepoos on. Nope, nope, nope. But all these useless fucking things. How'd you know? Ain't nothing getting fixed. Yeah. We'll report later in the day, and we'll see how she goes now. It looks like it's going to be one hell of a day. It's cold. And then Joe will pack her away together. Like, it's going to be warm, like back home. It's not fucking warm. Does this fucking look warm to you? Well, maybe if you're up higher. If you're up higher than here, stupid, you should move the fuck away, because who the fuck wants to live in this shit all the goddamn time? I don't want to live here and not make money up here. I don't miss
Copy, guys.
that little dinky ass dozer. I hate that fucking thing. It's so thick. That was so bad. We in the big boy today. We in the big old coochie mama. Wouldn't you want to sit inside till the end of the night? Oh. Excuse me.
Hello.
Shut up your way. You know one of the worst things about up in the Arctic Circle? Having to take a shit in the porta potty when your balls get tickled by snow. It ain't the funnest. No. Some might be like, I like a little cold coochie. Most people don't like when you get icicles dangling down where the dangles don't go down. Go update of the day. I can give up a couple clips. Just don't tell nobody. I've looked up my video. Not allowed to. My rules are meant to be broken. But yeah, alright. Yeah, it's not a bad day so far. It's on off the snow, but you still freeze your balls off at the porta potty, to tell you that. Icicles hanging off your hoo-ha. Alright, well, if you made it this far in the video, as always, thank you for watching. Be yourself and follow your dreams. Peace out, everyone.